Welcome to the step-by-step Revit tutorial. Today, we are diving into the essentials of creating and customizing glass block walls. In this video, we will cover everything from modeling your first clear glass block wall and embedding panels into solid walls, to fully customizing block sizes, materials, and mortar joints. Let's start by looking at how to quickly model a standard, clear glass block wall using the curtain wall tool.
Start by selecting the clear glass blocks wall. For this side, we'll create a 5x10 layout. Keep in mind that if the overall dimensions are not accurate, the glass panels won't be accurate either. Since each panel is 19 centimeters, multiply it by 5 to get the width, and by 10 to get the height. For the second type, follow the same steps.
Next, we'll learn how to embed our glass block panels directly into an existing solid wall to create a seamless architectural window or feature. Revit's native curtain wall requires users to manually cut it into the wall. Our glass block curtain wall embeds automatically for a faster workflow. We turned on Automatically Embed, which places it directly into the host wall without you having to cut the geometry. In this section, we will explore how to drastically change the look of your wall by swapping between white mortar, black mortar, or a clean, no mortar option. Grab your white mortar wall, copy it, and place it to the side. Swap the type to the black mortar variant. Copy it again, then switch it over to the clear glass blocks. Revit is going to give you a warning message here. Don't close out of it. Make sure you select Delete Mullions. You might notice a few leftover mullions hanging around. That is completely normal. We just need to adjust the wall size and they will clean themselves up. If you need custom dimensions, here is how you can easily duplicate the family type and create a brand new glass block size from scratch. Start by duplicating the wall and renaming it accordingly. Next, change the horizontal and vertical spacing. Once that's set, click OK. Now, let's dive into customizing the visual style by changing the physical material and color of the glass blocks themselves.
First, go to Manage, then Materials. Duplicate the frosted glass material. Change the color based on your preference. And rename it. Click OK.
Next, select the existing wall and copy the curtain panel. Paste it into the project browser.
Right-click it and select New Type, then rename it accordingly. Open it, go to Block Material, and change it to the material we created earlier. Now, duplicate the existing wall and rename it. Go to the curtain panel settings. Select the panel we just created, then click OK.
Finally, we will fine-tune the structural details by adjusting the thickness and custom material of the mortar joints to perfectly match your design.
First, select the existing wall. Go to the mullion tab and copy the mullion being used. Paste it into the project browser. Then duplicate it and rename it. Open the new mullion and adjust the thickness as needed. Duplicate the wall type and rename it. Under the Mullion tab, select the mullion we just created. Tip: you can copy and paste it across all mullion settings for faster setup. Now, let's create another type with a different material. Select the existing wall and copy the mullion again. Paste it into the project browser. Then duplicate it and rename it. Open it, go to Materials and Finishes, and choose your desired color. Finally, copy the existing wall. Duplicate the wall type and rename it. Apply the new mullion and copy and paste it across all mullion settings.
This pack includes 44 fully parametric Revit glass block families, featuring a variety of patterns, custom mortar colors, and specialized corner blocks for curved or angled walls. Lightweight and BIM ready, it allows you to model using either the curtain wall system for rapid grid-based layouts or generic models for individual placement, giving you everything you need to easily design stunning facades and partitions.